कल रात मैंने कहीं पर बोला था, मैं आपको वो पढ़ के सुना देता हूँ। मैंने ये कहा था कि इस वक्त जो दिल्ली में हो रहा है, ये गृह मंत्री अमित शाह का दूसरा प्रयोग है। ये संयोग नहीं है, प्रयोग है। पहला प्रयोग था हिंदू मुसलमान, शाहीन बाग, बिरयानी, 500 रुपये दिहाड़ी, जय श्री राम, फूट डालो राज करो यानी पोलराइजेशन। इन ताश के पत्तों पर दिल्ली के चुनाव में जीत का महल खड़ा करो। खुद गली गली जाकर अमित शाह इश्तहार बांट रहे थे, पर्चे बांट रहे थे, वोट मांग रहे थे। पहला प्रयोग फेल हुआ। जो संयोग नहीं था वो फेल होना ही था, क्योंकि भारत, अभी तक ये लोग समझ नहीं पाए भारत की आत्मा क्या है। अब दूसरा प्रयोग, ये जो शुरू हुआ है 4 दिन पहले, ये भी फेल होता दिख रहा है। हालांकि कोशिश पूरी की पूरी जारी है कि जो गुजरात में हुआ था 2002 में, वैसा दिल्ली में हो और जगह पर हो। और उससे भी इस बात को आगे बढ़ाया जाए ताकि स्टेट पूरे भारत में, जो प्रशासन का तंत्र है, पूरे भारत में वो काबू पा सके।
Hello friends, myself Prashant Kumar, and today we are going to discuss about the sedition charges on Vinod Dua, one of the renowned person of Indian journalism, and he was started his work since 1984 from Doordarshan, and now it's 2020. And he is continuously working in electronic media, and he has also awarded by Padma Shri in 2008 by Congress government, and he has also received the award B.D. Goenka Award Excellence in Journalism in 1996, and there was various controversies also associated with the Vinod Dua's life. And now we are talking about the case, talking about the FIR on Vinod Dua by a BJP personnel named Ajay Shamdil of Himachal Pradesh. He filed an FIR in Kumar Sen police station in Himachal Pradesh, and the charges were 124A sedition, 268 public nuisance, 505 statement conducing to public mischief, 501 printing or inflaming matter known to be defamatory of IPC. So these are the sections charged on Dua. Earlier, an FIR also been registered in Delhi by a BJP spokesperson Naveen Kumar, and the main points of the FIR were spreading rumors and misinformations about Delhi riots. But the court bailed Vinod Dua. Now let us discuss about the Vinod Dua's life, earlier life. So he is born in 1954, 11th March 1954, and started his career from Doordarshan India, Padma Shri in 2008. I actually said this, and her wife's name is Padmavati Dua, children's name Mallika Dua, who is actress, and Bakul Dua, and he has got his graduation from Hansraj College and gets master degree from University of Delhi in literature, and the show which was anchored by him in 1984 was Aapke Liye, and he has started his career from since then. And he has also hosted the daily morning show on Sahara TV in 2000 to 2003 called Din, and his name was popped up in the Me Too movement also. So guys, please let us know that what do you think about this FIR on charges on Vinod Dua, and Let us know about your thinkings about the Indian journalism and Indian judiciary systems and Indian justice systems and Indian politicians. Let us know what you think about the Voice of Dissent. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get our video on first